Today I'm going to show you how to install Xposed frameworks onto your Android device. In this tutorial I'm using my Redmi Note 3G and I'm running in a stock 4.4 KitKat ROM. If you are having an MIUI ROM, please don't install it. You have WSM tools for MIUI ROMs, so don't install Xposed installer to your MIUI ROMs. So first you have to install the APK itself. I'll give you the link in the description for that. This is the link, and if you see, scroll down, and here you see the download thing. If you click this, it will ask for download. I have already downloaded it. So, it's just 700 KB. My net is a bit slow, so please. It's done. You can see this thing. Press open file and install it. I'm already running it, so it's asking this. Install. Done. Now open it. Actually, this is not the icon. I've changed it so it looks something like this. Now open the click the framework. Actually it shows to break or something. You just give continue. Now press install updates. It will ask for root permission. Grant it. Once it is installed, it asks you to reboot. Now press OK. Wait until it reboots. Once it is installed, you can go Xposed installer. Check this code. Now you should see this active in the green thing. This values change according to your version which you downloaded. So in this version, the active is 58 and 54, and the active value should be same as this bundled thing. So this is it for how to install Xposed frameworks. If you want to download, you can go to this download page and you can download whatever you want. You can see here. That's it. And once if you download something, for example, I have downloaded Gravity Box. So you should go to modules here and tick the module which you have downloaded In this case, I will download it Gravity Box. So uh, you have to tick this one and you have to reboot it. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. If you like this, please give a thumbs up. If you like this, if it works for you, give a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you.